life cycle. So number third is the rationalization. So this is what we are going to discuss. We will not discuss philosophy and identification. And this will, after rationalization, the alarm will go to the master alarm database to do the appropriate action by the team. So guys, if you see this one, this is the as per the ages. This is the actual flow of alarm rationalization. We will go one by one. So we will take one alarm here from the existing alarm list, and then we will go for the rationalization. We will follow this step to identify whether this alarm is justified or not justified. If the alarm is not justified, so let us not keep this alarm. Better we delete this alarm, but decision will be taken after the complete discussion. Because if alarm is not serving our purpose, and then it is going to be flooding. So better to remove the alarm from the database with appropriate system. If alarm justified, then we need to identify the causes, consequences, operator response, and actions appropriately. And we will also classify and categorize the alarm. And our main intention is prioritize the alarm, and we will identify the response time, and we will also identify the P1, P2, P3 accordingly. And then this will go into the master alarm database Excel sheet of head-knob. So guys, we will take one example here just to understand. This is one example. LAHH. I hope you are able to see the screen and read it, right? Guru and everyone, you are able to see it.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. So guys, we will take one example here. If you have LAHH, so based on the LHH, operator has to respond. So on the LHH, the consequence is liquid carryover to KO, K drum 102, equipment damage, and personal exposure. Then the message of alarm will come, KO drum level high. And then we will see the process safety time is 30 minutes. The design intent of this alarm is prevent KO drum overflowing. This is the intent of this LAHH. The cause is control loop LIC of some system has failed and the KO drum has been flooded. And this is the confirmation KO drum we have got LIC and LAH. Then operator has to take a corrective action for manual valve opening. So this is what and how we are going to do each and alarm wise. But this